it's Emma from Emmeline Bride, and happy Friday. Oh my gosh, we made it another fantastic week. I'm sure you're feeling the same. I'm ready to enjoy the last few weekends of summer and get out there and get some more sun and try to swim a little bit more. But regardless, it's Friday, so that's worth celebrating. And I also wanted to tell you about the blog post today is about statement earrings. And if you're like me, anytime you want to put on a new statement piece, like a fun pair of earrings or a crazy necklace or a cool pair of shoes or a hat. I am not a hat person. And I think it's because it's such a commitment. Like if you're going to be that hat girl that puts on a cool hat, and I love when people wear hats, but you have to commit because if you change your mind midday and you take off your hat, then you have hat hair. It's a whole thing. So anyway, statement earrings is what we're talking about on the blog, and it's one of those pieces that I always see people wearing, and I always think, man, I love those earrings. They look so good on them. And I feel like if I wear statement earrings, it's like, here I am with my gigantic earrings. They're like in your face. But so today I'm getting out of my earring shell, and I'm wearing a pair of statement earrings that I love, that I got on vacation with Andrew and the boys last summer up north. And there's this cute little restaurant really far up north in Michigan, and across the street is a gift shop. And I always try to buy one of their handmade jewelry pieces or mugs or something. So I have a really cute collection of things I've gathered up over the years. So this pair of earrings, I'm being very bold today. I'm wearing my bold earrings. Here they are. I think they're cute. They're gold. They have a little bit of blue, a little bit of blue at the bottom. And so I invite you to also feel a little more confident and wear that cool accessory that you're always like, no, I can't pull it off. Yes, you can. You can pull it off. I think you can. So check out the earrings on the blog. They're by, these are different earrings than the ones we're talking about. But on the blog, they're by Jill Makes, and she makes some crazy, cool, fun, bold statement pieces. You have to check them out. And okay, third, are you like me and you go to bed and you're laying in bed and then you think, oh my gosh, I forgot to take my makeup off. That is the worst. It's like you cannot pry me off of that pillow. And if you read the blog, you know about my pillow. You can just, it's the hardest thing to get right back out of bed after you found that comfy spot and take off your makeup. So I have a solution for you. And you're gonna still have to get out of bed to do it because I can't do that for you. But you can use these makeup erasers. And I'm going to try them here for the first time ever on camera, which will be fun. You'll get to see me without makeup completely, which is fun for everybody. And I'm going to try these. This is the 7-day pack. And I'm going to try this bad boy, which is gigantic. And it comes with a matching headband, which is fun. So I'm going to go put that on and get these cloths wet. The thing about these is both are called makeup eraser. And you can remove all of your makeup with just water. No cleanser, no wet wipes, no running out to the store when you realize you're at your last one. You just use water for these. And I think the coolest thing is I've heard of makeup remover cloths before, but I've never really tried them. And this specific one is called makeup eraser. And it has a 7-day pack because I think I've thought about trying makeup cloths before, and my one takeaway was always like, yeah, but I want to be able to use it every day and not have to think about like, oh, did I wash it out correctly? Did I hang it up to dry well enough? Like, is it really clean? Are you really getting the makeup off? And so this is a brilliant idea because there's 7 little mini cloths in your pack. And this is easy to take, you know, traveling or whatever. I mean, quarantine, I'm going like to the mailbox, but other than that, this back with a cool headband. Inside the headband, there's these wires and it just like twists and it's super comfortable. So it'll keep your hair out of your way while you're removing your makeup. So the first thing you want to do is what I did. I washed it first. It tells you to machine wash it. So I did that, and then I got it wet with warm water. They tell you the warmer the better. So we're about to find out. I've never used this before. So this is a first. I'm going to show you my first impression on this makeup cloth, makeup remover cloth. So you're supposed to use, there's one side for exfoliating and the other side is for removing makeup. So let's give it a try. You're supposed to use the soft side first. Okay. Let's try this. The eye makeup is always the hardest. Oh, it feels so soft on my face. Sometimes those makeup remover wipes that I've used, they feel so like drying. Whoa, check that out, you guys. That is pretty cool. Let's keep going here. I put on a lot of mascara. It's really nice and soft. And they say to use a lot of warm water because the warmer water activates your cloth. Wow, it keeps pulling more and more off. Look at this thing. Then you're supposed to switch to the other side and exfoliate, which I think gets rid of even more stubborn mascara. This is super soft. Now I'm using this big one right now. I chose this one to use instead of the watermelon one just for this example. So you can actually see better on video how much makeup came off of my face. And look, it's looking pretty good. Not too bad. It's just like my regular. I mean, I'm impressed. Like, look at how much of that came off in one swipe of the eye makeup. That is pretty amazing. I'm not getting any more off, so I think it's all gone. And my face feels really clean. And it doesn't feel stripped like some of those other wipes that I've used. And I've tried like so many. I can never find the right one. I keep thinking, every time I go to the store, I think, I'm going to try a new brand. And it's going to be like the amazing new makeup remover. And I haven't found it. And I guess I was just waiting for this to come along. So anyway, you should check it out. I didn't leave yet. I wanted to tell you real quick. Since I used the big cloth, this is what the little minis look like. They come inside your watermelon pack, and there's 7 of them. So each day of the week you get a fresh wipe. And then after you're done with these, and after you're done with this big one, which mine's filled with makeup. After you're done with them, you throw them in the washing machine and you can wash them, and they come out great. It says no chemicals, lasts 3 to 5 years, machine washable, great for sensitive skin. And I have to tell you, now that I've done the video and my face is drying, it doesn't feel dry like you would feel tight and like you need to put on some night cream or whatever. I put night cream on, but that's a whole other story. I feel refreshed, and I think it's a great product. I really like it. I hope my mom and my sister really like makeup cloths, because I think that's what they're getting for Christmas. So you wet it, it erases it, and you exfoliate. This is too cool. And I can stop buying all those wet wipes at the store, which are like, you just keep throwing them out. All right, that's it. I promise this is the last time. Bye.